Suspected gunmen attacked Safe town, the council headquarters of Safe local government area of Zamfara state, killing 5 people including a commissioner's son on Sunday night. According to an eyewitness, the incident happened in the Hayin Tumbi area, close to the commissioner's residence, while Muslims were observing their night prayer in the mosque. The source added that one out of the victims is Abba, son of a retired Deputy Inspector General of Police and State Commissioner for Security Affairs, Maman Safi. Residents and farmers in the state have been long terrorized by gangs who raid villages, stealing cattle and kidnapping residents for ransom. In 2019, the state government entered a peaceful agreement with gunmen and gave gang leaders cars and money. Despite all this, the gunmen are still kidnapping and killing in different communities of the state.